Hello friends, I Shrivadan welcome you to our new video. As it is rightly said that luck cannot be measured, but in palmistry we can measure the luck by looking at the various signs on your palm. As we have done so many videos, and this video is also dedicated to the main requirement in this world, that is wealth. So, how wealthy you will be, or is there any sign of sudden gains in your hand? So, we will be discussing all those things in the palm with the help of some special signs and lines formation that we'll be discussing in this video. So, one thing is clear that if you are having good indications over here and on your palm, the right people and opportunities will automatically find you. And if on the opposite, the things are not good here, then sorrows and problems, obstacles in life will definitely find you. No matter wherever you are, no matter how blessed you are in the from the family background, or maybe your parents are having so much of money and you must be having already a business which is having a turnover of over a multi millions and all those things. But if things are not going right here, it will reflect on your life immediately. And opposite, as I've said, that if things are right here, then no matter wherever you are, if you are living in a small village, in a remotest area, the right people and right opportunity will find you, and you will be blessed with whatever is given, whatever is luck has already decided for you. So let's get started with our video. So in this video, the primary indication, the foremost indication of sudden gain or wealth, a black spot. I have made a video earlier in which I have already described that this black spot anywhere on the palm is not lucky. But if this black spot is in the middle of the palm, or especially on the Rahu area, it blesses with you an opportunity or a wealth or a sudden wealth. You can definitely relate it to lottery gains or somewhere game of luck, through game of luck. But it could be an opportunity or somebody taking you from there, from wherever you are in life, and giving you the right opportunity in career, or involving you in his or her business. Basically, this indication is related to the gains and huge gains. So the mode could be any, but this is sure that if you are having this thing in your hand, it is very much sure that things will change in your life for betterment, and it will go for sudden or a very quick scenario. So it is a very important indication on the palm. If you are having this black spot or a mole in the middle of the palm, it will give you enormous wealth and a sudden gain sort of scenario. Okay. The second indication is line of intuition. If you are having a line of intuition, believe me, you are having a better decision taking ability than most of us. People who are having intuition line on their hand, or somewhere has those feeling that what is right for them and what is wrong for them, and what they foresee sometimes the things going good way or a bad way, so accordingly they can conduct their life. So this definitely helps you in creating wealth, and it is an indication of that you will definitely be blessed with gains, especially related to wealth in your life. Okay. See, this is our lifeline, this is our brain line. So triangle between the lifeline and the brain line are said to be the signs of wealth or the sudden wealth or sudden gains in your life. So these are very auspicious sign, a triangle on the lifeline going upward toward the brain line definitely will bring success in your life, especially on the monetary side. Okay. Now, this is the fate line or the Saturn line. If the sun line is also coming out of this line, like if fate line and the sun line are joining somewhere, or the sun line is coming out of this line, so it is a very good indication of gains, especially from games of luck or speculative scenarios where you are investing somewhere in life. So this will definitely help you to get maximum gain out of it. So this is a very strong indication. A star on the sun mount. Star on the sun mount gives you not only fame, enormous fame, but also wealth. It is definitely a sign of wealth creation. So it is a very important sign when it comes to wealth or monetary gains in life. So you have to understand all these indications. Number one, that is a black spot, which I have said. Number two, it is intuition line. Number three, that is triangle on the lifeline. Then it is the star on the sun mount. Then if there is a branch going towards the sun mount from the fate line, it is equally applicable to branches going from heart line towards the sun mount. So this is also an equally auspicious symbol for wealth creation in hand. So we have so far discussed so many things related to sudden gains and wealth. Basically, the thing is that these signs are more related to sudden gains, not the gradual ones, or not the gradual progression that you are already doing in your career or somewhere. So these are the symbols of sudden gains. It could be from games of luck or speculative investments, or say share market, stock market, lottery luck, or something like that. But it can also be an opportunity, in a way of opportunity in your career that has changed your life, that will change your life altogether. So it is very important to understand the intensity of all these signs in PA. So I hope you have enjoyed this video, and we will be back with our new video very soon. Thanks.